The directive comes after the committee chaired by the Nakawe's Joel Senyonyi failed to ascertain who received the cash from the Uganda Land Commission on behalf of Natalia Namuli. This came after contradicting testimony from the suspects.
That there is confusion or perhaps connivance, but we are not going to allow confusion to cross from your side to our side. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to ask for your numbers. One, we are going to ask for CCTV footage from your landlord. That would be NSSF, dating back to the day when you people are saying this transaction happened. That is 25th July. I'm going to ask for your telephone contacts that you used to be in touch. And then we are going to get printouts from these telecommunication companies so that we establish who is telling us the truth and who is not.
On Wednesday, the committee summoned Wallen Mwesigye, who is said to have bought 500 hectares of land from Namuli at 318 million in presence of her son-in-law, Amara Peter. However, in the same meeting, Amara denied having witnessed the transaction between Namuli and Mwesigye.
You execute this agreement?
25th July.
25th July.
Yes,
and
Mr. Chairman.
Was that after you had seen all the necessary documents, titles, and so on?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So the title that you saw,
Yes,
in what
Mr.
name
Chairman.
was it?
Natalia Namuli.
Natalia Namuli.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
And that was 25th July.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so was this agreement a cash agreement?
Mr. Chairman, it was a cash agreement.
It was a cash agreement.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So are you saying you went with bags of money to execute this agreement, of which documents you had not seen, but you imagined all the documents were clean and you carried 318 million shillings in a bag? Is that what you're saying?
Not many bags, Mr. Chairman. It was one bag.
When issues concerning money and the rake, the reality is money did not exchange hands.
The ongoing investigation arose from an audit query by the Auditor General's report of 2021. The report indicated that the illegal payment was paid to ghost landlords by the Uganda Land Commission, having received a supplementary vote of shillings 10.6 billion from the Treasury. The supplementary cash, according to the Auditors General, was also released to the Uganda Land Commission illegally.
You received money as absentee landlord. So if that is what is in court, I'm asking you about the 13 billion you received with your lawyer, which you were asked to refund the 13 billion from the land fund as absentee landlord when you are not absentee landlord.
How could you just go ahead to pay 318 million within a grace period of 4 days or 2 days without even going to the Uganda Land Commission to confirm whether these papers that the lawyer has are genuine?
You bought land, or are you saying you did not buy land? Because your agreement, which you signed yourself, says you bought land.
Namuli, a 79-year-old resident of Kagadi, is said to have sold her land to the Uganda Land Commission after squatters encroached her land. The payment was questioned after whistleblowers lodged a complaint that she wasn't the owner of the land and payment was dubious. Sarah Nakandi for CCTV PM Edition.